I'm Anthony from West Coast Custom Concrete. We're in beautiful Huntington Beach today. Today, Concrete Tools and I are presenting this Tomahawk Vibra Plate, which you can win for free, $2,400 bundle. If you just go sign up on Concrete Tools Direct, which will be in the description. And you can win this for free. The sweepstakes, every month they have a sweepstakes. They had that saw 1 month, which is unbelievable. I just cut, you'll see on the video. Now I'm gonna do this. Let's fire it up and do a little vibrating. This thing is awesome.
Doesn't move.
Every other one goes, gah, 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 gah. You look and it's down there on the concrete. Here we go, boys. That's the Tomahawk GX160. And these are the best prices guaranteed. So if you're looking for a Vibra Plate, we put the link in the description, the Concrete Tools Direct. So it'll be on here. And if you guys fill out for the sweepstakes, you can win this Vibra Plate. This is one of my favorite Vibra Plates. 176 pounds, 5.5 horse. Friggin' Honda. So that's how I run. This thing is probably one of the best Vibra Plates on the market. We're with Concrete Tools Direct. That's it at idle. It doesn't even move. It's got a 5.5 horse Honda motor, which how can you go wrong with that? All in all, this thing's a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. It's 176 net pounds. Concrete Tools Direct has the best prices. They'll beat anyone's price, 3 to 5 day shipping. Thank you very much. Hope you win it.